Here are a few more common reasons why a car might hesitate when accelerating from a stop. This could include issues such as a clogged fuel filter, dirty fuel injectors, or a failing fuel pump. When the engine doesn't receive an adequate amount of fuel or if the fuel isn't being properly atomized by the injectors, it can lead to hesitation during acceleration. Faulty mass airflow sensor MAF. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and adjusts the fuel mixture accordingly. If it malfunctions or becomes dirty, it can cause incorrect air-fuel ratio readings, leading to hesitation. Spark plug issues. Worn out or dirty spark plugs can affect ignition timing and combustion efficiency. This can result in misfires or weak sparks, causing the engine to hesitate when accelerating. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the vacuum system, such as cracked hoses or faulty intake manifold gaskets, can disrupt the air-fuel mixture and engine performance, leading to hesitation and rough idling. Transmission issues. Problems with the transmission, such as low fluid levels, worn-out clutches, or faulty solenoids, can cause hesitation during acceleration as the transmission struggles to shift gears smoothly. Throttle position sensor TPS malfunction. The TPS monitors the position of the throttle pedal and sends signals to the engine control unit ECU to adjust the throttle accordingly. If it malfunctions or sends incorrect signals, it can cause hesitation during acceleration. Dirty or clogged air filter. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, affecting combustion efficiency and causing hesitation, especially during acceleration. Exhaust system issues. A restricted or clogged exhaust system, such as a blocked catalytic converter, can limit exhaust gas flow and engine performance, leading to hesitation. Electronic control unit ECU issues. Problems with the ECU, such as outdated software, glitches, or faulty sensors inputting incorrect data, can cause hesitation by not properly managing the engine's performance parameters. Addressing these issues often requires diagnostic equipment and expertise, so it's advisable to consult a qualified mechanic to properly diagnose and resolve the specific cause of hesitation in your car.